Hello everyone, if you're trying to extract any file on your computer and you keep getting this problem, the extraction operation was not completed with the error code 0x80960028, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on your computer easily. So this problem can be easily resolved by just installing a third-party archive extractor. So an archive extractor like WinRAR or 7-zip will easily fix this problem. So just open up your web browser, search for WinRAR on here. Click onto this link from WinRAR, click download here, download WinRAR, and then download and install it on your computer. And once you're done with the installing process, now what you're going to do is you're just going to open the .zip file with WinRAR. So I'll show you how to do it. For example, open up the RAR file like this, and then just drag or extract the file anywhere else. And once you click on OK, it will extract the file for you and you will not get that error anymore. So just guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.